What if I told you that not having money is no longer an excuse? Right now, people are making real income starting from $0, and today I'll show you exactly how. The fastest way to make money with no money is simple. It's simple. You don't need to be experienced. No experience is even needed. You don't need to be a professional. It's to sell what you already know or can learn quickly. This could be writing, designing, social media posting, editing videos, organizing emails, customer support. You don't need to be an expert, okay? You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. The second way that you can make money with actually $0 is to leverage social media without being famous. You don't need thousands of followers to make money online. Social media is powerful because it allows you to share helpful content, promote services, build trust quickly. You can create short videos, posts, or comments that solve problems and direct people to your offer. Consistency beats popularity every time. The third way is affiliate marketing or sell without creating. Affiliate marketing is when you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. You don't need inventory, customer support, a website. You only need a product you trust, a platform to share it. When someone buys through your link, you earn money. It's one of the lowest risk ways to start making money online. The fourth way is to learn a high income skill for free. Okay, for free. Now, you've got time to scroll through your phone all day. Carve out some time to learn new skills instead. Okay, like carve out at least 30 minutes a day or 1 hour a day to learn something. There are a lot of websites that offer free education. The internet is full of free education skills like copywriting, video editing, digital marketing, sales, and so on. Pick one. Pick one. These skills can generate income for years, and many people learn them without spending a dollar. The key is execution, not information. If this is already helping you, hit like, subscribe for more real money strategies, and comment ready. All right, let's continue. The fifth way is to offer services locally. Offline still works. Online isn't the only option. Many people overlook local service businesses, and that's a huge mistake. You can make money by offering tutoring, tech help for small businesses, moving help, yard work, cleaning services. This requires zero startup costs, just initiative and consistency. One client can turn into referrals, and referrals turn into steady income, and so on. Sixth, flip free or cheap items. People give away valuable items every single day. You can find furniture, electronics, appliances, clean them, fix minor issues if needed, and resell them. This turns time and effort into cash, not money into money. And lastly, one of the most important ones, mindset shift, the real secret. Here's the truth most people avoid. Making money with no money requires discipline, patience, and action. You won't see results overnight, but you will see results if you stay consistent. Every successful person started somewhere. Every successful one. Most of them started with less than you have right now. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful and see you in the next one.